Yo, what is up? So we're gonna do some more character creator work. I think I'm gonna do some animations on the wings. So let's do that. Cool. Mr. Tyrexus, yo, Carrie, what up? What you got going on? We about to do some animation. Animation. Let me set this to 60 FPS. So, let's say maybe like 120 frames, something like that. I'm alone here today in chat. Yeah, man, it's just gonna be you today. Apparently, just you today. One of them kind of days. One of them kind of days. Let's set location, rotation, scale. There we go. So, actually, you may want to set this how we want it from the start. Why is that moving the other one? Started watching videos on plugin creation. I really want to create my own save game plugin with lots of features. Yeah, seeing Casey struggles right now in the Discord. Yeah, man, those kinds of save systems are hard. Very, very hard. Complicated. What the hell? This is not rigged, right? So we have to change some things on it. Let's see if I can manage that somehow. Yeah, we'll see. We shall see. Clear parent? I don't know why that didn't... What the hell? That's not right. Parent, clear parent. There we go. There we go. It's fixed. Yes, I go again with my plan from 0 to 1,000 without Unreal Engine knowledge. I mean, you might be able to do it. Are you gonna do it with C++? Or are you gonna do it with Blueprints? The hard thing with like creating a save game plugin is that you need to save variables that are specific to whatever game they're creating. You know? So that's how save games work. You set your specific variables that you want to save, so you need to like somehow dynamically let people set their variables inside of it. I also want to do my best to make sure that, oh wait a minute, I missed one there. I will create blueprint elements. I have experience with encryption and conversion. I just have to figure out how to implement it best. I also want to do my best to make sure that you can't just edit the save games with a text editor, maybe with a very strong encryption method. So I would definitely program it in C++. Hell yeah. Yeah, that'd be badass. I know anything beyond like a basic ass save system, man, is like... It's kind of complicated. I mean, like a regular a basic one with like a limited number of slots is pretty easy. But yeah, anything beyond that is pretty hard. Okay, so we definitely want to double our length here, I believe. Let's make this 240. Yeah, I gotta make it pretty complicated. I pretty much gotta make the same kind of save system that Casey's wanting, but I gotta make it for my my RPG. And yeah, I'm not looking forward to trying it. It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough. Let me just clear all these. Start over. I've already programmed a social media website. I'm sure I'll be able to do something like that with good encryption. My goal is to make the system as easy to use as possible. Maybe you can test it when I have something on hand. Oh yeah, definitely. If you want me to test something, I'm down to try it out. See how it works. Yeah, and if you have any questions about save games, let me know, because I know a decent little chunk about save systems in Unreal Engine. But I definitely struggle with some of the more complex save systems, though. Like when it comes to creating infinite numbers of save slots, that shit gets complicated. Like last time I tried it, I had it where it was creating an infinite number of save slots. The part that I didn't have right was like loading that information in correctly and then building the slots on a menu. That part I screwed up. I couldn't quite get that part figured out. I'm sure I'll get it. I just gotta spend a lot of time on it. Figure it out.
Some would say I'm the reverse.
Lord Kitty, what up? What you got going on? Okay, thanks. Yeah, I don't have much experience with save games in Unreal Engine, but there should definitely be more possibilities than Unreal Engine offers. Yeah, it's save. I mean, save games are pretty straightforward for the most part. It's just when you want to do a more unique kind of save system. Trey Mix, hello. What's up, Trey Mix? What you got going on? Your beloved mod is here. Welcome in. What up? What you got going on? Hi, man. Trying to make a fireball using Niagara? Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, Niagara's fun, right? I want to get better with Niagara, but I just haven't spent a lot of time with it. I don't think it needs to come that far back, actually. Let me change this mid piece. We're doing some animation. We're going to animate our wings. But hard? Yeah, it's tough to get down. I know the basics of Niagara, but yeah, I don't know how to do anything too complicated with it. Yeah. I've only made animations inside Unreal. Is there any particular reason you use Blender? You have more control over interpolation and stuff in Blender than you'll have in Unreal Engine. So yeah, that's why I do it in Blender. You can make your animations much smoother inside of Blender than you can in Unreal Engine. Nice. Niagara is very complicated, but very powerful. Yeah. Niagara is dope. I need to spend some time with it, but man, I'm trying to do so much at the moment. It's hard to find time. Hard to find time to do shit. Blender is goated. Blender is goated. Yeah, I like doing my animations in Blender. But what you been up to, Trey Mix? What you got going on today? So let's go into... I don't know. I think that's okay. For like a standard like idle animation. That's really all I'm looking for at the moment. Kind of an idle. Not much. I've been modding Minecraft for fun. Hell yeah. That sounds dope. I've never played Minecraft. Yeah, I think that should be fine. Perhaps the wings should only be spread out when you are in air. Well, this is going to be for the, like, this will probably just be for the character creator. Like, you'll have your wings open. Like, you can see it in the character creator. But yeah, like, I think for standard idle, when you're running around, actually, like, playing as the character, yeah, we'll probably keep them, like, folded in. Yeah, we'll have to make an animation blueprint all that controls everything with the wings, so that'll be pretty cool. There's a use quaternion interpolation checkbox that definitely helps when making them in Unreal. Yeah, I've seen them, but like in here, I can go in and literally control the interpolation. Like graph. I can go into the graph of the interpolation in here and make it do whatever the hell that I want. Yeah. Actually pretty easy to mod Minecraft. It's just hard to find documentation on it. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, I've been modding Valheim a little bit recently. Okay, yeah. Gotta pretty much figure it out. Hell yeah. I'd imagine there's a lot of information on it out there. I mean, people play the hell out of Minecraft. I created Minecraft mods too back then, also for Minecraft servers. It's a lot of fun. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Damn, I gotta look into that? Yeah, man. Animation in Blender. It's the way to go. It's the way to go. It is a way to go. So we're gonna change this handle type to automatic. Interpolation to 0. And that should be all I really need to do for this one. I did just re-rig this though, so I'm gonna have to like redo some of the stuff I did in the last stream. Fix some of that. I think that's good enough for a standard little idle one. Cool. So now, let's try to get this. I did kind of animate this before exporting it. Let's see. Yeah, I'm doing it because in my mod pack I have a mechanism, and one of the ores are hard to find, and I need a lot of it. So I made a mod that makes osmium trees so I don't have to mine. Damn. Damn. Just skipping the hard part. Skipping the grind. Let's say... Spirit? Jiao Shri? Ram? What's up, guys? What up? What you got going on? What up, what up? So let's export this. Actually, let me look at something. Rest position, pose, rest, pose, yeah. So let's export wings. This is gonna be open idle, call it that. I'll export mesh armature Y forward Z up. Oh, actually is my, let me check something. Yeah, let me turn that guy back on. Now let me export that. Wings open idle, selected armature mesh, Y forward Z up, geometry face armature, uncheck add leaf bones, and we're gonna bake animation. So let's export that. Cool, and then we'll go into rest position, then export the rig again. We'll call this wings. Uncheck bake animation, wings, there we go. I made golden carrots growable too. Hell yeah. What are golden carrots? Reminds me on money does not grow on trees, and my parents always used to say that. Yeah, that's a big ass saying. Shit, I wish money grew on trees. I'd have me about 20 of them trees in my backyard. I'd be planting them. Actually, I'd have a field of them bitches. I'd be a gardener. I'd be growing money trees. That's what I would do. Man. Let me go somewhere else. We'll go down here. You know what's gonna suck? I'm gonna buy Substance Painter tomorrow, and I'm gonna immediately feel like retexturing everything. Probably. I'm gonna be like, oh, now we can make everything look way better. Let's do it. Let's go to models, character stuff, wings. It might yell at me. Let's see if it does. Since I did a re-rig. Wings. Is it gonna yell at me? It didn't, surprisingly. Did not yell at me. Let's look at this though. Thought it might yell at me. Let's make a folder in here. called animations. Let's pull in our idle animation here and use our wings. Don't need to import mesh. Right. Let's import that. Imported bone is different from original. Might need to delete the might need to just completely delete the wings and re-import. I don't know what it was yelling at me for. Animation's working. Let me go into... Just gonna yell at me? Yeah. Okay, so let me go into the character creator. I need to clear those references while I reset this stuff. Let's see. Pose. Let me save as this one and delete. Right here. Nope, that's not what I'm looking for. Definitely not. Okay. Is there a way of clearing any of the movements that I did? Probably not. So... Oh, that should be fine, actually. Shouldn't really matter. So let me just clear these references. So right here, let's set that to none, and then right here, set that to none. Then let's go back, and let's delete this right here. And we'll delete all of this. That should be okay. Cool, and let's bring that animation back in. Wings. Import mesh, import. Still yelling at me. What the hell does this mean? Imported bone transform is different from original. No, the hell it's not. What are you talking about? Let's delete this. Actually, maybe it. I don't know. We'll try something real quick. I'll try to re-export it with this transform, I guess. So, export FBX. Export that. Is that enough? Maybe. Might have to redo the animation, but that's not a big deal. We got ads. Pull this in. Wings. Still yelling at me. Let me Google this. What the hell this means. Let's see. Maybe that. One says to object apply. Maybe I just gotta apply transform. Apply all transforms. Let's see. Then we'll delete this stuff, and I'll just remake the animation real quick. Hey, someone joined the Discord. Let me give you a roll. There you go. Alright, so We exported that, right? I'm gonna export it again just to make sure. Wings, export. Cool. And let's remake the animation real quick. Hey, turn that off. Do handle type automatic. And we'll just do that right there. And that should be okay. Let's see what happens. See if it still yells at me. Export FBX. Bake animation. And let's see. It still yelled at me. It gave me one extra yell. How is it saying the Transformer's different when it's exactly the same? Oh, it gave me 3 of these. That's why. It gave me an extra animation. Not that one. But it's just a warning, so I guess you can ignore it. Yeah, that's what Google said too, but it still bugs me. I think it's because I changed the original position of it, but the animation is fine. I just like to not have warnings. Yeah, the animation's fine. I'd ignore it if it just appears on import. Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun on the bun.
The Novice Prospect. Hey, I appreciate the follow. I appreciate the follow. Welcome in. Game devs aren't just programmers. They aren't just artists. They are all the true definition of jack of all trades. Yeah, we're Renaissance, man. We Renaissance it all the way. But what's up? What you got going on? What'd it do? Yeah, I mean, I've ran into this issue before with animations. I think it's because I need to Google, is there a way to undo what I've done in pose mode? I think that's what's causing it, because I exported after I did some shit in pose mode. Blender, undo pose, or can I set pose position to rest position? I do game streams and maintain servers for my community. Hell yeah, that sounds dope, dude. What kind of games do you stream? Set pose position as rest position. Yeah, this is what I need. Let's watch this real quick. This is exactly what I need. Where'd it go?
Delete any keyframe you have here. Then we want to select the armature and the mesh and press Ctrl A to apply all transforms. Now by pressing the numpad period key, it will take us to where the object is. The next thing we are going to do is come to the mesh, go to your modifiers and apply. And then we select the armature, we go into the pose mode, make sure everything is selected. You can press A, go to your pose, and then apply pose as rest pose. Next thing you want to do is go back to your object mode, select the mesh, select the
and then parent object.
Control P with automatic weight. So now if you select the rest pose, you can see that this is now our default rest pose. So
I see.
Position and the rest position are now.
So basically rig it.
I'm going to show you how to change the rest position.
DSP, Captain of Industry, Oxygen, not included. And some Monkey Island? Hell yeah. DSP. What is DSP? I don't think I've heard of DSP, Captain of Industry, or Oxygen. I've heard of Monkey Island though. What are the other three?
Of your character imported from Examo. So I imported this character from Examo in T pose. But if you select the rest position, you can see that it's in A pose. So to set this T pose as the default rest pose, first of all, you select the armature, delete any keyframe you have here. Then we want to select
delete any keyframe. Let's do that. Delete keyframes. Also go into pose. Yeah, no keyframes. Dyson Sphere program. Build an actual Dyson Sphere around any star of your choosing. Oh, maybe I have heard of that. That sounds kind of familiar. Maybe.
Let the armature and the
Captain
mesh
of Industry make people survive on an island.
Apply all transforms. Now,
hell yeah. Friggin' dope.
By pressing the numpad period key, apply all transforms. Now by
okay, what do you do here?
A to apply all transforms.
Okay, apply all transforms. All transforms are applied.
Now by pressing the numpad period key, it will take us to where the object is. The next thing we are going to do is come to the mesh, go to your modifiers and apply.
Okay. Apply the armature, right? Oh, whoops. Where the hell did it go? Apply. And then
we select the armature. We go into the pose mode.
Okay, select armature, go to pose mode. And then
make sure everything is selected. You can press A, go to your pose, and then apply pose as rest.
Apply pose as rest. Pose, apply pose as rest. That didn't work. It didn't work. The video lied. No, that did the opposite of what I wanted it to do. It set rest as pose, you lying son of a bitch. That did the opposite of what I wanted it to do, but I guess that's fine. El Gordo, what it do, bro? Sip, what up? What you got going on? We're working on some animations. Hey, Monkey Island, what can I say? It's monkeys. It's Grog and possibly Unhinged. Yeah, I've never played it, but I've watched some streamers play it. It seems pretty cool. Seems pretty freaking nifty. All on his channel and bullying, you liar. The video literally does the opposite of what it said it was gonna do. Set pose position as rest position. That's not what it did. It set rest position as pose position. That's the opposite of what I wanted it to do. This is what it says on the damn thumbnail. I love watching game devs to better understand how games come together and what blood, sweat, and tears go into. Oh, dude, game dev is so crazy. It's so crazy difficult, dude. So yeah, you don't do any game dev yourself? You don't do any kind of dev? Story writing time for me? Hell yeah, hell yeah. Hopefully you get a badass little story going. I mean, this should be fine. Honestly, as long as they're the same, I think. But watch, it's still gonna yell at me. Watch. Let's go back in here and let's delete these. Here's the reason why people get trust issues, dude. Like, for real. It did the opposite of what I wanted it to do. So let's export this. It should be fine. It doesn't matter that much, really, but let's uncheck bake animation. Reaver wings. Transform should be fine. Let's export that. Pull this guy in. And skeletal mesh. Oh wow, hold on. Okay, that means something didn't export right. If it didn't automatically go to that, right? Export. Night Reaver wings. Right. Export that. Pull that guy in. Oh, I think it's broken. I don't think that's right. Could not find by a oh, you know what? I know why. I forgot to do the last part. I forgot to do the last part. I forgot to re-rig it. That's why. That's why. That's not right, though. Oh, wait a minute. Is it right? Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's why. I didn't re-rig the damn thing. Export hydrate? Sure. Good old water. There we go. Here, let me catch up here. I script when I need to fix a server issue, but I've not got the balls to do actual development. Why not? If you can code, dude, you could do game dev. I can't even like really code. I'm like completely new to C++. Admiral Supernova, I have a UE question. What's the question? Also, welcome in. What up? What language are you using for scripting? Just asked, I guess. Yeah. I have a door lock and key system that's not working. Oh, what's going wrong with it? Bash Python for Nix E things and C# for Windows E things. Hell yeah, hell yeah. I want to make my hot chocolate. Hot chocolate time. Got to get that hot chocolate fix. I don't like a batch PWS, so I'd rather compile something. Hell yeah. You may ask in the Discord. We need more information and maybe screenshots to help. Oh, sounds interesting. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. PowerShell? Oh, I have no idea what PowerShell is. What is that? I'm not a big scripter. At least not yet, anyways. Oh yeah, Lord Kinney, I'm buying Rider tomorrow. Buying Rider and Substance Painter. Comic Sans is still the go-to font for horror, right? Yeah, dude. Comic Sans for everything. Comic Sans for everything. It'll get you by. It'll get you by. It sucks donkey balls? Or docky balls? Docky balls. What is PowerShell though? I don't understand. What is that? PowerShell is similar to CMD on Windows? Oh, okay. I got you. Donkey. Oh, nice. Hell yeah. Or Victor Mono. Is that another font? Is that another font? Okay, that should be fun. I actually tried to obtain a free 1-year license key for you and the Twitch channel that does the JetBrains IDE giveaways, but there were too many people that entered and had no chance. It's fine, but I appreciate you looking out for me. Yeah, I'm buying it tomorrow. I'm gonna buy that and Substance Painter tomorrow, so that'll be badass. So I'll have it for a year. The replacement to CMD/batch scripts. Hell yeah. Press your Windows key and type PowerShell. You should have it on your PC too. PowerShell. This thing, Windows PowerShell, right here. Nope. Yeah, I've never messed with that. Discord? Here, let me pull up the Discord. Oh, someone joined a minute ago. Let me verify them. And there you are, Admiral. There you go. 3D Addict, hey man, what's up 3D Addict? What you got going on? What up, what up? Usually it costs 25,000 channel points, so not many people enter. But it's costed around 1,000 channel points for the last month, so there has been so many people entering. Oh, damn. Oh, hell yeah, we got some more folks here. Got a bunch of people in the Discord now. There we go. There we go. But hell yeah, yeah, just a shitload. How many people are, like, usually watch that channel? Yes, hell yeah. Usually there's only about 4 or 5 that enter. Really? Damn. Yeah, if it was only like that, I'd feel like I could win pretty damn quick. Just kind of keep that channel up in the background. Spaceship continuation? Hell yeah. What have you got added to it today? Alright, let me get this animation. We're gonna location, rotation, scale. Right there. Watch, it's still gonna yell at me. Oh, whoops. I need just this one. And this one. And then at 120. We're gonna RZ. No. I need to mirror that. RZ. Let me also turn this guy off real quick. Might be kind of cool to drop it a little bit as well. So like RX RY maybe a little bit right there. Yeah, something like that. Okay, let me catch up here. Hey, catch up. Yeah, I try between 25 and 50. Watch usually? Damn, that's actually not that many. It's not too bad. But hey, I appreciate you trying to look out for me. I watched a lot of C++ videos 2 hours ago and seen many people using Rider. Didn't notice it that much. Yeah, man, a lot of people that I've been watching and paying attention to what they use Rider. So I'm excited to get it. I'm excited to get it. See the differences with that, between that and Visual Studio. We need a hell yeah counter on screen at some point. I need to add a command. Just add a command whenever you hear one. We could just type in command hell yeah to add it to the counter. Yeah, is it a carry hell yeah sound? I don't think you need the sound. I say it enough, don't I? For channel voice. You can easily make that. All you gotta do is clip the sound and... What's up, PM Teddy? What you got going on? A blurp is an even idea, a better idea? Yeah, yeah. I'm going to attempt to build a mech character in Blender to use as one of the enemy AIs. The one that shoots fireballs? Ooh, is this going to be your first character you've ever modeled? What bot you using? Streamer.bot actually gives you voice recognition. Oh, I just used the Streamlabs bot. But nice. Maybe I'll check that one out. Maybe I'll give that one a look. I was away this weekend and missed a few streams. Oh yeah, you're behind. You're behind. We've been working on our wings. We got some wings that I'm trying to get the damn animation inside of inside engine right now. But let me try to fix this. That, and then set handle type to automatic. And then let's try to export this. Use idle open, make animation, and let's try to pull that animation in. If he yells at me this time, we'll just deal with it. Because it should be fine. Wings. Uncheck that. Import. It yelled at me. Why is it bringing in 4 damn animations? Why you do this? Here, let me see. It still yelled at me. I did all of that shit and it still yelled at me. I mean, it's fine, I guess, but... Apply. All transforms. Let me just try. I did re-import everything, right? Let me double check that. Why is it bringing in 4 animations? Oh wow, a bunch of links. 1 second. One momento. Here, let me just catch up here. No, I made a low poly character before in Blender. Oh yeah. I remember you showing me that one now. That's right. Yeah, that's right. Forgot. But we need multiple versions of hell yeah. There are hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Alright, let's see. Looks dope. Looks hella cool. How many vertices are in this scene? Yeah, oh, whoops. Let me see. I'll catch up right here too. Next time I have downtime like this, I'll grab a 6-pack and make the hell yeah drinking game. Make the hell yeah drinking game. Hell yeah. Just like drink every time I say hell yeah. I'm just gonna say it all stream. Very nice. Looking dope. Hell yeah. What's the next one? Here 2 screens, started working on Front Elements, currently working on Control Station. Hell yeah, very nice. The audacity of this bitch yelling at you for no reason. Who's yelling at me? Who? Who yelled? I'm confused. Oh, you're talking about the damn Unreal Engine. I think I see what you're saying now. Ooh, very nice. U5 yelling at the import. Yeah, I mean, it's just a warning more than anything. Like, it's not breaking anything, but I'm just trying to make the warning not exist because it bugs me. Hell yeah, this is looking clean. Okay, my door problem is in Discord with pictures and explained. All right, one moment. We'll go take a look at it. Hell yeah. Yeah, this is looking nice. I'm digging it. Hella dope. Or I could leave the mech character until another time and build a little goblin. Ooh, I have a goblin pack on Epic. I got for free 1 month. I got this modular goblin pack. Yeah. We got ads, friggin' ads? Yeah, friggin' ads, man. Friggin' ads. I'll wait on the ads. Ads are almost over. Ads should be done, right? Everybody through the ads? Everybody through the ads? Not breaking anything isn't the issue on the importance, the principle of the whole thing. Exactly. You get it. You get it. It's just, I don't want the warning there. Why have ads gotten longer? So, the reason why ads have gotten longer is because there's like an ad incentive program kind of thing on Twitch now. So basically, if you run, I think it's 3 minutes of ads every hour, streamers get a higher percentage of the ad revenue, whereas if you don't do that, you get a lower percentage. So that's why. So I just have mine to run for 1.5 minutes every 30 minutes. Yeah, that's why they've added an incentive program for people to make ads, use ads more. Ads again? Yeah, ads should be over, right? Yup, hell yeah. Ad Sheeran. Since I wasn't here last weekend, are we still doing the horror game? Or is it shelved? We are! We're doing it tomorrow. Yeah, we'll be hopping on that tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah. There are days for the horror game, and days for the RPG, and Saturday are for C++, I guess? Yeah, and I've been doing some C++ in my free time, too. Lord Kenny farting. Damn, Lord Kenny got gassy. If I remember right? Yeah, so... Let me think of how the schedule is. So
yeah,
Sunday...
It's gonna be fun on the bun.
Nekos92, I appreciate the follow. Welcome in. So yeah, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, we are doing RPG stuff. And then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday... we're gonna do horror game stuff, and then Saturdays I take off, and I'm just focusing C++ stuff on those days. Try to learn that in my own time. Can you at least have a ad countdown clock so we know when to expect them? There is a countdown clock, right? Like there's a like a thing that pops up that's supposed to pop up in the chat and tell you when ads are coming. Oh, feeling a bit gassy here, don't mind me. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, it'd be alright. Nekos92, oh, the Diablo song brings back memories? Yeah, good old Diablo 2, right? Well, what up? What you got going on? What up, what up? What was that? Was that a sub? We're Peak 2 just subbed. I appreciate the sub. Welcome in. Okay, looks like I'm caught up over here. But what did it do? Here, let me go to the Discord and we'll look at that question. Key BP, event interact, pickup key, destroy actor. Pretty straightforward. Okay. Door locked and key code. Passkey is true. You're playing a timeline to open the door. Okay, and you're doing a once set actor class, and something else is going on there. Or get actor of class. Or, yeah, get actor of class. And on E, for each loop with break, does implement interface interact. Get overlapped actors. Okay. So this is just your interact system. So what's breaking? Event pickup key. Set has key. Let me look back here. And you're not calling your pickup key. Event pickup key? You're not calling this anywhere, right? Oh, you are calling it right here. Event interact. You're sending the message there. And you're calling your interact there. Where is... This is key self. Pickup key. Do you have a structure set up? Are you using structures? Bottom comment provides more information. Okay, so the problem got a little more complex because the code does in fact work. It's just not for what I'm trying to use it. YouTube tutorial I got it from assigned the key to the door in the world editor. I want to do it in a BP that the key and the doors are a part of. I also want the key to affect all doors that are part of this room. BP does not others. What works is the door locks and the key is picked up. What doesn't work is the unlocking of the door example room, so it doesn't unlock. All right, let me catch up on the chat, and then I'll think on this for a second. Oh, we need a friggin' ad sound. Yeah, probably not a bad one. Let's see. Let's see, where are we at? Where are we at? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday for RPG, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday for horror, Saturday is C++, yes. That is correct. Okay, I think I'm caught up. Okay, so let me think. Is this all of the code to it? If has key is true. Event pickup key. I feel like this is there's a lot going on for doing this. Event interact, pickup key, destroy actor. That should be fine. And this is in your key. And you're calling your pickup key. Is the... It does implement interface. Oh no, that's getting BP interact. Let me see. event pick up key. Has key is true. Have you done a print string right here? Is a print string firing off right here? I would do a print string right here. Check that. It's only for the broadcaster and mods? What is? Okay, what do you use for AI image generation? I haven't used anything like that in a minute, but I was using GenCraft and what was the other one? Perchance. GenCraft was one of them, and Perchance was the other one that I used a little bit. Yeah, the code is technically functioning. I just need to assign the key to multiple child BP doors inside of BP. The ad countdown you see at the bottom of the chat, does it show up? Yeah, I knew there was some kind of ad countdown somewhere. I just need to assign the key to multiple child BP doors inside of BP, and that doesn't work. But just for you and mods? Oh, really? It doesn't show to everybody? It's only for broadcaster and mods? Really? I thought that showed to everybody. Nope. Oh. I didn't know that. So E is for picking up the key, right? I don't see the connection to the open door. They have it right here. So what's happening is they're using an interface. So right here, they have E key, right? And then at the end, they're calling their interact message. It fires off this interact function, which calls the pickup key message and destroys the actor, which is calling the pickup key interact right here, which sets has key to true. Yes, but this is not for opening the door. That's right. So, open door is right here. I don't know what's going on in the collapsed part of this, so it would be useful to see that. But right here, I'm guessing is some kind of something's going on in there. Open door. If has key is true, then you play the timeline of the door and you're just lerping the animation of the door open. Picks up the key, destroys the key actor, and only sets the has key to true. Yeah. So, are you setting the has key to false if you use it on a door? Nothing is printed from the print string. Did you type in like something in for it to print? What was the first AI generator you said again? GenCraft. Here, I'll type it in chat real quick. GenCraft. Yeah. The problem is I appear to not have the key assigned to the door. Thanks, man. Yeah, no problem. No problem. Problem is that I appear to not have the key assigned to the door. Is there something in the tutorial doing it to assign that to the door? What's your door? Where's your... Is this your door? Yeah, BP door. Behind the door as target for pickup key. You have a relation to the door. But this is the door blueprint right here, right? What's going on in this collapsed graph right here? Is it just a, there's 2 executions coming out. J-Craft generated a picture of a goblin, but far too advanced for me? Well, I would try Perchance then. Because you can set the style of what it generates. I would try that one. You can get some pretty more, yeah, J-Craft's a little more complex than, Perchance. I see you typing something. While we wait, I'm gonna pull this guy back in. Still yelling. Let me see. Okay. Carrie, what type of values are you mainly going to be saved in the save system? Text and numbers, right? Nothing more advanced, I guess? I mean, yeah, mainly just like enums, structures, booleans, floats, vectors, I mean, basically you want like any variable to be possible, but for me right now, it'll probably mostly be like enums, booleans, floats, vectors, integers, maybe, let me look. Yeah, like those will probably be the main ones that I would save. And maybe transform. Oh, these ones are much simpler with Perchance? Yeah, Perchance is much more simplified. For sure. Alright, let's see. So when I do this and assigning it using this part in World Editor, it works. This is the part way the YouTube tutorial did it. The problem is I need to assign it in the room BP. The graphs are just on component overlap with a cast character, and closed door is just 2 on in component Overlap. So yeah, this is your key. You're assigning a door. Yeah, I think the problem is that you have to assign it to a door. I think it'd be better to just have your door open with be able to open any locked door with a key. That would probably be a better way of going about it. Okay, this is what was going on inside. You're just casting. On component begin overlap. Oh, how do I do that? I mean, there's probably tutorials on it out there somewhere. Probably. I'm also thinking about the best way to set up the system, so it's best to make it possible for all variable types. Yeah, but you know how many variable types exist in Unreal Engine? You know how many variable types there are? Look at all the variable types. This is just the base ones. You can make anything a variable. Those are structures, interfaces, object types, enums. Think I can model one of these? Hell yeah. Do it. Do it, Wild. Hey, I'm back. Welcome back. What you got going on? What up, what up? How do I do that? I would just, I would name your key. I would name your key a specific to, like, if you want certain keys to open certain set of doors, then I would just do like what you're doing now. Like, instead of, I don't know where you're setting this assign thing at. Somewhere in the key BP. So I would just like get rid of that part. Yeah. I think anything would be, but simply text numbers, bools, and arrays of those types. Yeah. Yeah. Because this is in a BP, and the door and key are just child BPs. What are they child BPs of? Why is my landscape back when applying a texture to it after sculpting it? Why is it just texture streaming over budget? That be the reason? Black? And you just applied a texture to your landscape? Like not a material, but a texture? I also think so. Maybe it's possible to serialize those data types to simply save them as JSON and encrypt it somehow? Maybe. Yeah, perhaps. Yeah, I have no idea. Did someone summon me? Shit, I'm like, hey, welcome in, Ben. What you got going on? The room BP? Yeah, see, like, I just have no idea how your shit's set up. What tutorial series are you following? There's definitely way easier ways of setting up unlocking doors without having it connect to a door BP and all these other BPs. Trying to use the auto material. Oh, you have to go into your paint. So if you go into landscape, go to paint, and you... Here, let me show you. Let me open up my map. That's why. Yeah, you have to assign a layer type. If you go into landscape, go over here, click on your paint tab right here. And then right here, you want to click the plus button on your auto layer. You'll click the plus button and then add a weight blended layer. Yeah, do that. Also, that thing when I hover over it says reference to actor ID, game first person, map persistent level, door underscore BP. Is the tutorial, I would go in, if the channel that you're following the tutorial from, if they have a Discord, I would go in there. I just don't know what's going on in that BP. I don't know what's all connected to each other, so it's kind of hard for me to tell you what to do. 'Cause I didn't build the system. I have no idea how they set it up. Okay, so let's go back into the animation. Wings, animation. Let's find the one we need. Hi, dude. Welcome in, Ben. What you up to? What it do? So if we pull in our music stopped. Hold on. So if we pull in this guy, play animation. I thought that might happen. That is an issue, right? It's a tiny version of it. Why is it doing that? I have seen this issue before. That's what's breaking it. Okay. So let me figure out, let me do some Googling on this. The door people BP and the room BP are the cause of it. Else I need the door and rooms to do. I just tried to plug a door system from a YouTube tutorial into it. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just not sure. Not sure, man. Not too sure. I'm about to DM you 4 pictures of AI generated goblins. I'm not sure which one to pick. You want me to choose? Oh, we could do a you want to do a poll? We could do a poll. I'm good. Got something I might need help with? Oh, what is that? What do you need help with? What might that be? I need to Google this. Why is my animation tiny? Unreal Engine Blender animation is tiny. Why is it tiny? Let's see. Do I need to change the scale? Is that it? See if changing the scale works. The units. 0.01. See if that changes it. Open idle. Whoops. Character stuff, wings, animations. Pull this guy in. Wings. Import mesh. Oh, and we didn't get yelled at. You see that? We got rid of that warning. But our damn thing is still tiny. That got rid of the warning, but the animation is still tiny. What the fuck? Oh, we got ads. Sent preparing a poll. Oh, here, let me see. Let me pull it up. Which one? Which goblin? Which goblin is Lord Kenny making? I'll show you. Hell yeah. Of course, we get friggin' ads right as soon as we're about to do this damn poll. Three minutes on the poll. Get your vote in. Yeah, which goblin is Lord Kenny making? Second one. All right, this is the first one. This guy. This is the second one, right? 3 minutes on it. Hell yeah. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. I think I vote this guy. That one. Let me go to Twitch and vote. Goblin 1. I vote Goblin 1. Which one? I can vote on my poll? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Which one? This one? 1, 2, 3, or 4. The Addict 3, there's a poll. You can vote on the poll. Did you vote on the poll? El Gordo going for scary or cute. Scary, I'd say 4. Cute, I'd say 2. El Gordo says, if you want scary, this one. If you want cute, this one. That's on the YouTube side. I don't think I'm on Discord. It's on Twitch. It's not on Discord. It's in the Twitch chat. Yeah, if you look at the thing at the top of the chat, it says, which goblin should I choose? Yeah. I haven't placed a vote though. You haven't found it? Yeah, there you go. There you go. Let's see what's winning. Looks like Goblin 3 is winning right now. Goblin 3 won. Goblin 3 won. Goblin 3 it is. Goblin 3 it is. Yay, my choice. I voted on 2, right? Isn't that the one I voted on? I think I voted on... No, I voted on 1, right? I forget which one I voted on. Posted my link at the wrong time? Yeah, 1 second. 1 second. I'll catch it. Let me catch up here. So I need this to be better. Like I'm using additive animation and only applying to the top half of his body. Let's see. So what are you trying to do? Is it the legs that are breaking? Well, I found a another door key tutorial that appears to go about it in a different way. I'll try that. I just don't want to have to scrap what I have done before. I mean, you could just like keep it on the side, maybe come back to it. But yeah, that's how it goes sometimes. Sometimes you build something and it doesn't work out. That's game dev. That's how it goes. Hey, my choice, hell yeah, hell yeah. I'm gonna open up Blender, get a modeling. I'll keep y'all updated in the Discord, hell yeah. The legs look painful, yeah. Make it not look so damn weird, man. So why did you do it on an additive? Like you just want the top half of the body to do the gun holding animation, but you want your legs to do something else? I would do that on a I don't have animations for weapons down. Only when I'm aiming. Yeah, I would do that on a what the hell you call it? What the hell is it called? Blend per bone? Yeah, layer blend per bone. That's what I would use. Instead of additive. You could do it on that, but then it looks even more static? How so? What looks static? The arms? Or the legs? Oh, I think I see what you're saying. So you're... So you're using an animation that's pretty much static, right? Yeah, I think you just need different animations more than anything, if that's the case. So like you have an animation for them that's just like, you know, holding the gun, but it's like pretty damn static. Sure, I mean that was just a pose, so maybe if I use the animation, yeah, if it's just a pose, yeah, that's just gonna be static no matter what. I think that's just an animation issue more than anything. So let's see, let me try to re-export this guy again. Let me go back. Delete these. I finally got rid of those warnings, but my animations are still tiny for some reason. Let me look at this. Let me... Or FBX. Wings. Uncheck big animations. Export. And let me pull this guy in. Okay. And now my wings here are tiny. That's the problem with that. Let me see about the scale. I'll export FPX. Can I change the scale in here somewhere? Oh, scale right here. Let me set this to 100. Okay. Okay, then that's decent size. Now what about the animation? If I export the animation, scale 100, make animation, export to this. Pull this guy in. Choose our wings. Import mesh. Import. That's looking better. We'll see. Oh, it's yelling at me again, though. What the hell? I hate you, Blender. And Unreal. I hate both of you. And the animation is still tiny. Why is the animation tiny? Why? How do you do this? That didn't fix shit. Let me look at the import settings. Wings. Import uniform scale 100. Let me do that. Oh, you can't import uniform scale. Oh, yeah, demo, yeah, here, let me 100 that. Let me see. There we go. It's not tiny. It yelled at me, though. Which one of these do I need to keep? Not that one. Let's delete that one. Not that one. So, let's delete that one. That's the one. Right. Yeah. So keep that one, delete this one. So let's play animation asset, play animation, and let's take a look at it. And it's playing the animation, but yeah, there we go. The shape of the face is gonna be rough, dude. Faces are hard. That is definitely the hardest part of, like, doing any character. Are you doing a, are you sculpting it first? Would it help inside a save game file to be able to create categories? Probably, yeah. Yeah, probably. For different types of things that you're saving? Yeah, that would probably be useful. I do that when I set variables anyways. Like, say if I have... I don't think I have any big list of variables right now. Do I? Maybe in... Yeah, not in here. Yeah, but generally when I get a big list of variables going, I do set categories. Stuff. Sculpting? Yeah. Hell yeah. Good old sculpting. Well, that should be fun. Have you ever sculpted a character? Is this gonna be your first time doing that? So let's get our material back on this guy. Pull this guy up. Nope, it will be. Yeah, hell yeah. Exciting. Hell yeah. New things. Learning new things. Oh, I never set a thing for this. Let me set that there and that there. I think I need to change the interpolation of it a bit. Yeah, let me fix that in here. So, pose. Hope it will be. Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, so creating categories and be able to name your save slots, for example, character position, character rotation, inside character. Yeah, yeah, that would be useful for sure. That would be useful. I think what would be most useful for like a dynamic save system, if it's possible, is like if they can create your own variable types. If you can find a way of doing that, if you can just like, if you could like make the system so that it does everything else, but it dynamically saves any variable that a user makes themselves. Sculpting is what we were doing that one time for that creature you were making, right? Yeah. I sculpted up a few creatures. I did that for the wolf and for the little bunny dude that I made. Looks like your character needs to go to the toilet. They need to take a shit. Let's see. I gotta see that. So I need this to be better. Like I'm using additive. Oh wait a minute. Oh, that was the old chat. Here, let me see. Yeah, so this is what it looked like before. I think that looked better than how it was looking a minute ago. It's static because you're using a pose animation. But yeah, if you did it that way, but you couldn't you just take that pose animation into Blender and just animate it a little bit? Give it like a breathing, even just like a little bit of breathing and arm movement would help it. Go away, Steam. You could just take that in there and just give it a tiny little bit of breathing movement, and that wouldn't be too hard. And then use that animation. Listen, man, we are all learning. That's true. That's true. We all learn shit. To create own version of variable types, and if you're using a save integer instead of default integer, you can detect it and automatically save. Well, what needs to happen? What needs to happen is like, because like you need to save variables that you're creating for your characters, right? So like anything that changes over time that you want to be saved is what you want to exist in a save system, right? So like they need to be able to set the variables that they specifically need to save, right? So like say if I wanted to save my, like all of my variables in here need to be saved. So they need a way of saving their specific variables. Yeah. That's the main thing. They need a way of saving their variables that they make. Bunny dude, that's what I mean? Yeah, that dude. I'm going to do them with a control rig, I think. Hell yeah, even that'll help. Even that'll help. But many times you don't have to save every variable. Yeah, not every variable has to be saved. Do they need to be a way to exclude static variables that never changed? Yeah. So yeah, if they need a way of just like basically plugging in their specific variables that they want to save. There needs to be a way of doing that. And that seems pretty challenging. Not all variables, but just the ones they want to save. Alright, I'm gonna do a pee break. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Yeah, the challenging thing is to make the whole thing easy to use with less effort. Get a sig? Gotcha. Yeah, the system you're trying to build is going to be challenging. Do you think when sculpting the face I should have the mirror mode on? Yeah, when you're sculpting everything, you want to have mirrored on. So it's all symmetrized. Yeah, everything should be mirrored. So let's change some of the interpolation of this. So let's go... Can I do both of them at the same time? That would be useful. Looks like I can. Hell yeah. Left wing, right wing. So let's do... that. And... let's see. I don't need Z. I don't need scale on either one of these. Got something a bit better? Hell yeah! Yeah, just add a little bit of, like, some breathing movement. Should help that situation a lot. I don't think I need to move location. Right? Yeah, so let's get rid of that. I don't really need that. We could keep that. We don't need that. Don't need that. We don't need that. We do want that. And we do want that one. But for this one, we don't need that. We can hang on to that. We can hang on to that. Damn it. Oh, this. We can hang on to that. Hang on to that. Hang on to that. Damn it. Deleted something. Go back. W. We don't need that. We'll just do... Sure, we can just do X and Z. X and Z rotation. Of both of them. Oh, I won't do both. What a cunt. What a cunt. Here, let's take a look. Let's take a look. This. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, that looks way better. Definitely helps. Helps a little bit. Hell yeah. Looks dope.
Hello, motherfucker.
Hell yeah. Rusey, what's up, Rusey? What you got going on? What up, what up? haven't done that yet. This better. Haven't done what yet? Oh, that's easier. Mirror mode is enabled. Yeah, you want to keep mirrored. You want to keep that on when you're doing sculpting and shit like that for sure. Wow. Yo, Lord Kenny, send me the reference on Discord. I'll do one too. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Okay, let me send it. Dope. Yeah, Rusi, what up? What you got going on? Oh, it'll let me do it if I highlight both of these. Dope. Let me do that. Let me look at that. Nah. It's not what I'm wanting. Oh, it didn't do... That's not what I want. That's what. Let me highlight both of these. Move that guy up. And move this. More like this. See. Just woke up? Hell yeah. What's on the plan for the day? What you got going on today? I got an XP Pen Artist Pro and never use it. I really should. Oh damn. Yeah, I don't have that. I just use good old mouse for sculpting. I wish I had something like that. Would probably be useful. And make this fast down here. More like that. Oh, we got friggin' ads. Hope I sent it to the right person. Yeah, I got it, man. Thanks. Hell yeah. Success. What is this? Should probably pause that before I move that. What is this? Oh, it's changing that. I see. Gonna do some of this. I see. These are flipped. Let me reset this stuff real quick. I think that's about what I'm looking for. Except the end. The end is a little snappy. Pull this guy up a bit. Maybe like that. Let's look at that. I think that's about right. Yeah. It's pretty smooth. Cool. Let's do that. Works for me. You're welcome. Hell yeah. This is the one I've got. Let's take a look. Oh, hell yeah. Damn, 200. Oh, yeah, Ben. I forgot to tell you. Guess what I'm getting tomorrow? Guess what I'm getting? Yeah, this looks dope. This is 280 bucks. Well, guess what I'm getting tomorrow? Guess what it is. SP? I'm getting SP tomorrow. Yeah, I'm getting Substance Painter tomorrow. Yeah, dude. Yeah. I got my second tax check today, so I got money for it. So I'm gonna buy it tomorrow with Ryder. Oh, sick. If you want any help, let me know. Oh, I'm good, man. I'm good, man. Yeah, I'm just gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy the Steam version. How about the other thing? Yeah, I'm gonna buy Ryder too. Yeah, I'm getting Substance Painter and Ryder tomorrow. Yeah. I have Ryder too? Yeah, I'm getting Ryder tomorrow as well. So exciting. Exciting. I mean, learning it too? Yeah, I'm still learning C++ as well. What's that? Which one? Substance Painter or Ryder? Substance Painter is a thing for texturing, Rusi, so I can go in and, you know, make cooler materials and textures for my stuff. Stuff that'll look way better. And then Ryder is for writing code. So it's like, instead of using Visual Studio, which is what I've been using for learning C++, Ryder is a better thing for writing code. I have Ryder, but I'm not going near C++. I fail every time. It's not that bad. Once you get pretty comfy in Blueprint, C++ isn't too bad. For me, it's literally just memorizing memorizing some things, like the naming conventions of things and stuff. There's a Steam version of SP. Yeah, you don't have to buy a damn monthly subscription to it on Steam. I'll show you. It's just a flat payment. You don't get any of the updates, which I'm fine with that. It's probably fine as is. But yeah, let me pull it up. Substance Painter. Yeah, right here. Yeah, you can just buy it on Steam. Programming is basically just to be good in Google things nowadays. It helps. It helps. Nice. Yeah. I'm excited to get this Substance Painter. As soon as you hold on. Trust me, it isn't. What isn't? As soon as you try to work with someone else and their version is never you won't be able to open the file. Are you talking about Substance Painter or something else? Okay, I mean, if you want help learn SP, I will help. Oh, sure. Yeah, sure. Well, lots of stuff out there though. Yeah. I'll definitely be looking into some tutorials and stuff. Plus, there is always a whole bunch of new cool stuff added. Plus, if you're serious about 3D, then you get licensed, not through Steam. I just don't have money for it. It's not an option for me. This is the only option I have. I can't pay the monthly thing. So yeah, this is the only option I have. Otherwise, I would. I don't need updates. What I really don't need is more damn I know, right? Damn subscriptions. No shit, awesome. Okay, cool. Yeah, I guess I'll be getting that. Thanks for the heads up. Didn't know that? Yeah. Under W, you pay 15 pounds and you get not only substance. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, if I had the option, if I had, you know, steady income, I would do it. It's just not an option for me. I don't have steady income. So this is the only way I can go while I have the money for it. Alright, so let me export this. And I don't have any income currently. Hell yeah. This isn't working for me? Oh no, you're why not? What's going wrong? Keep at it, man. Yeah, just keep going. Alright, let me pull this guy in. Wings, animations. Thank you, man. It's just hard to get the shape of everything. It's tough. It's tough to get into. I definitely failed my first few times at sculpting. Just take some practice. Hold on. Me reset that and delete this. Need to block out the shape first, then remesh it. All in detail slowly. Yeah, it's just creating basic shapes and then adding details later, pretty much. Oh, let me pull this. Oh, yeah. You'll get it. Look back at some of the videos that I did. Might help you. Like when I was sculpting my stuff out. Let's see. I'll do that. Thanks, man. Hell yeah. Alright, let's see. Not that one. Delete that one. This is the one we need. Delete that one. And delete that one. Cool. That should be fine. And let's look at that. Yeah, a little bit cleaner. See how it looks. Let's reset some of that stuff back on the character creator. I'm starting now, sculpting that sculpting your goblin. Print widgets, character creator. Yeah, I'll be keen to see how it goes. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, we shall see. We shall see. So. I've not done it in a while. Yeah, it's been a minute for me too since I sculpted those last few things. So here we need to set wings right there, and right here. There we go. Are you checking out the VOD from where you were practicing sculpting for the wolf? Yeah, the wolf thing. Yeah, definitely not a bad idea. Might get some ideas of what you need to do. Alright, so let's take a look at this. I also want to... actually, that's not going to play the animation, but that's fine. I have to set up an animation blueprint for the wings, but... we'll do that at some point. Let's just check that this is setting. Cool. Cool. I'll probably retexture this damn thing when I get Substance Painter. Probably retexture a bunch. I'm gonna get Substance Painter and immediately want to retexture everything. That'll be cool. To be honest, you can. Yeah, just retexture everything. Just retexture everything. That's probably what I'm gonna want to do. They have so many material slots. Yeah, I'm excited to mess around with it. I've seen some videos on it, but there's some big ass wings. What the fuck? Yeah, dude. Big ass wings. Oh, what up, Stitcher? What you got going on? Yeah, you like our wings? You can get that down a lot. Yeah, I'm excited. We'll be I don't know if I'm gonna immediately try to retexture things in my game. I probably need to practice it before I just straight up try to start changing things in the games. But yeah, we'll see. I just need to learn my way around it a bit first. Could just start with a sphere and then extract, etc. to get the basic shape. Yeah. So when you sculpt, you typically want to start with a UV sphere, and then yeah, pull from that. Working on my React Native app. Hell yeah. Yeah, looking forward to see you animating them. Oh, I just animated it. Yeah, I just did the animation on it. I'll show you the animation we just did. I'll go back to the map. I gotta set up an animation blueprint, but they're not animating on that. So let me just go back here. Seems like it's just static. Yeah, that wasn't using the animation. I have to set up an animation blueprint for it. So let me pull in. Let me pull it in here. Wings right here. Then use animation assets right here. And I will just simulate. Yeah. So kind of just like a breathing, not really like flapping, but just kind of like, yeah. Story outline is done? Damn, you've been hella on that story. Hell yeah. How did it turn out? Oh? Didn't remesh it into one? Yeah, remesh helps so you can keep going with it and such. Oh yeah, it looks good. Hey, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Yeah, I just got to set up an animation blueprint for it so that, you know, it does the correct animations at the right time and such. Vanilla, okay, yeah. But hell yeah. I think that's about all I'm wanting to do though. We got everything set up for it. Oh shit, did I export this? Damn, I need to re-import this, actually. I didn't have my... Shit. I didn't have my, subdivision on. Let me redo that real quick. Export FBX. Turn off bake animation. Let me export that. And then re-import this. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Cool. Well, hate the bad guy. So mission complete. You hate the bad guy? The bad guy that you wrote? Hell yeah. Bad guy's an asshole? Badass. There we go. Hell yeah. Alright, so I guess that's it. For now. So yep, tomorrow we'll be back on the horror game. So we'll do something in there. I don't know what we're gonna do. We're either going to do some inventory stuff. What do you mean that's it? That's not it? What am I missing? Not 24-hour stream right now, man. 24-hour stream. That's so hard to do. I've never done a 24-hour stream. Yeah, 24-hour stream. Maybe one day. Maybe if we hit some badass follower goal or something. Get back to work, lad. What? Hell yeah. Yeah, we'll either work on blocking out the level, or we'll work on some inventory stuff, or or I don't know. We'll figure it out. What? We aren't enough for that? Nah, man. You're good. You're enough, but like, I feel like a 24-hour stream situation is like a special occasion kind of thing. Awesome stream again, man. We'll catch you on the next one. I'll keep posting pics in the Discord of my golems. Yeah, I'm excited to see how it comes out. We have to make Kenny have this as his job so he can stream 4 hours instead of 2. Carrie? Oh, yeah, dude. Yeah, if this was like my job, I'd probably stream twice as much at least. Probably. Yeah. All right, let's see if we want to raid out to anybody. All right, man. Yeah. So, man, I really don't know the late night streamers. Who is this? Oh, I remember this guy. I think someone that I raided one day raided this guy. So let's raid this guy. He's working on a pretty cool game. Could I suggest a raid? Sure. Who? Raid Tyler 1? Hold on. Kindred? Yeah. Who's Kindred? Hold on. Kindred Games? Both of y'all say Kindred? Oh, who is it? Is it Kindred? Is that who you were gonna suggest, Lord Kenny? Let me see. Let me find Kindred. Who's Kindred? Yeah, I haven't. Yeah, I don't know Kindred. Are you okay? I don't know who Kindred is. I have not learned of a Kindred. He's working on a 3D game called Swords and Magic and stuff. It's an awesome game. Oh, badass. No, I was gonna say Team Vash. All right, let me figure out who is who. I don't see. Oh, Team Vash. Okay, yeah. I've seen her around. But Kindred is working on a game, and Megs on that stream is in jet lag mode at the moment. So we should raid Kindred. Let's see. Who is Kindred? I have yet to find Kindred here. I was gonna say Carry Chronic. Raid myself? Raid myself? Who's Kindred? I don't see a Kindred. I don't... Oh, Kindred Games right here. I found him. Made a cozy adventure game? Sure. Let's raid them. Yeah. I found him. Kindred. Kindred Games right here. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna raid out to Kindred. And, yeah. So I'll be back on tomorrow. We'll do the, get back on the horror game. Do some shit with that. So I appreciate everyone for hanging out. We're gonna raid out to Kindred Games. And I'll see you all in the next one.